Hello all, I am Dr. Prabhas Sinjanbal. Today I will discuss some more examples of minimal DFA. In the previous class, we have already discussed about the construction of minimal DFA. Some rules means some rules or some steps how to construct the minimal DFA. But in this class, we'll construct some means more examples of minimal DFA. Okay. Here, this is one more example. This is one more example. This is a DFA, or this is called transition table. Sorry, transition diagram. Transition diagram. This is the similar of DFA. This is called transition table. This is called transition table of the given DFA. Okay. Now we'll see. Now we'll check before constructing the minimal DFA. Now we have to follow the rules. First rule is the, now we'll check there is any inaccessible states in the given DFA or not. If there is any inaccessible states in the given DFA, try to first we have to remove these inaccessible states. Inaccessible states means those are not reachable from initial states. There, A is itself a initial state. We can reach and B, we can reach to B from initial state using this path. We can reach to C from initial state using this path. We can reach E, we can reach to E from the initial state using this path. We can reach D from initial state using this path. We can reach to F from initial states using this path, but we cannot reach to G states, because so G is a inaccessible state. So here G is inaccessible states. This is called inaccessible state. So we have to remove the inaccessible states like G. Okay. So now we'll construct or we'll minimize the number of states. Initially the DFA contains 7 number of states: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now we'll remove this G. Now we will remove the G because G is an inaccessible state. So this, now we have A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we have 6 number of states. Okay. Now we'll try to divide these states. Okay. In the third point, separate the final and non-final states. Separate the final and non-final states. Final and non-final states. Final here A, B, F. Sorry, non-final states A, B, F. A, B, F. And the non-final, sorry, final states are C, D, E. C, D, E. Okay, CD is now CD is one state. Now CD is one state. Now we'll try to separate these A, B, E states. Now we'll try to separate A, B, F state. Okay, here A reads 0, goes to B. B means non-final state. A reads 1, goes to C. C means final state. B reads 0, goes to A. A means non-final state. B reads 1, goes to D. D means final state. C reads 0, goes to E. C reads 0, goes to E means final state. C read, oh sorry, F read 0, F read 0, F read 0 goes to F. F means non-final state. F read 1 goes to F. F means it is a non-final state. So A, B both reads 0 goes to non-final state. A, B both read 1 goes to final state. Now we'll separate A, B as one state and F has one state. Sorry, this is not C, this is F. This is F, okay? This is not C. So A, B, this is one state and F is one state. So C, D, E, this is one state. Can I further separate these A, B states? No, we cannot separate these A, B states because A, B reads 0 goes to non-final state and A, B reads 1 goes to final state. So we cannot separate. Okay. So now initially the DFA has total 7 number of states, total 7 states. But after minimization, the minimal DFA contains total 1, 2, 3, 3 states. 3 states. Okay. Now we'll construct the DFA using these 3 states. Now we'll construct the minimal DFA. Minimal. Now we'll construct the minimal DFA. Using these steps. A, B, F, C, D, E. A, B, then F is one state. Here C, A is the initial state. C, D, E, all are final states. Okay. C, D, then F, these are final states. Okay. This is C. Then F is a non-final state. Okay. A is the, here A is the initial state in the original DFA. So here A is also initial, A, B is also initial state. C, D, E, all 3 states are final states in the original DFA. So C, D, F also final state in the minimal DFA. So here A reads 0 goes to B. So A reads 0 goes to B. A reads 1 goes to C. A read 1 goes to C. B read 0 goes to A. B read 0 goes to A. B read 1 goes to D. B read 1 goes to D. C read 0 goes to E. C read 0 goes to E. C read 1 goes to F. C read 1 goes to F. D read 0 goes to E. D read 0 goes to E. D read 1 goes to F. D read 1 goes to F. E read 0 goes to E. E read 0 goes to E. E read 1 goes to F. E read 1 goes to F. F read 0 goes to F. F read 1 goes to F. Okay. This is your minimal DFA. But initially your DFA contains 7 number of states. But the minimal DFA contains 3 number of states. This is called minimal DFA. Okay. Hope all of you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask through comment box or I give in Gmail ID. Okay. Now we'll try one more example. Okay. This is one DFA. This is one DFA. Or this is the transition diagram. This is called transition diagram. It is the similar presentation of or transition table of the given DFA. Okay. But the DFA contains total 5 number of states. The DFA contains total 5 number of states. But now we'll check. Is there any inaccessible states in the given DFA? Now we'll check. Okay. P itself a initial state. So now we will reach to Q from initial state using this path. Now we will reach S using from the initial state using this path. Now we will reach T, reach and T or reach to T from the initial state using this path. Now we will reach to R using from the initial state using this path. So there is no inaccessible states in the given DFA. No inaccessible states. No inaccessible states. So there is no inaccessible states in the given DFA. Now we'll check, see here, but one important thing is R is a dead state. R is a dead state. Okay. Now we'll try to separate. Now we'll try to separate the final and non-final states. Initially, the DFA contains total 5 number of states: P, Q, R, S, T. Okay. Now we'll separate the final and non-final states. Here, P is the initial state and final states are S and T. S, T. So P, Q, R, P, Q, R. This is one state, and S, T. This is one state. Okay. So now the ST is one state. ST is one state. Now we'll try to separate these states. Okay. P, Q, R. See here, P read A goes to S, but S is a final state. P read B goes to Q, but Q is a non-final state. Then Q read A goes to T is a final state. Q read V goes to R is a dead state, but it is every dead state is a non-final state. Then R reads A goes to R means it is non-final state, and R reads B goes to R is also non-final state. See here, P and Q both read A goes to final state. P and Q both read B goes to QR means both are non-final states. Okay, PQ reads A goes to final states and PQ reads B goes to non-final states. But R reads both A and B goes to non-final states. So we will separate PQ as one state and R is one state. Now P, this is P, this is Q as one state, then R is one state. This is S, this is one state. Can we further separate P and Q? Yes, we can separate. How? See here, P reads A goes to final and P reads B goes to non-final. Q reads A goes to final and Q reads B goes to non-final. But both non-final states are not same, because this is a actual non-final state, but this non-final state is called dead state. This non-final state is called dead state. So we will separate P and Q. So we will separate P and Q states. Okay. Next, this is R state and this is S, T states. Remember one thing, the initial state is initially DFA contains 5 number of states. DFA contains total 5 states. But after minimization, the minimal DFA contains total 4 number of states. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 number of states. Okay. Now we'll construct the transition diagram for the minimal DFA using the given states. Now we have total 4 number of states: P, then Q, then R, then S, T. Okay. P is the initial state in the original DFA, so in the minimal DFA, P is also as initial state. S and T both are final states in the original DFA. In the minimal DFA, S and T both are also final state. Okay. Now we'll check P read A goes to S. P read A goes to S. P read B goes to Q. P read B goes to Q. Q read A goes to T. Q read A goes to T. Q read B goes to R. Q read B goes to R. R read A goes to A. R read A goes to R. R read B goes to R. S read A goes to S. S read B goes to S. T read A goes to T. T read A goes to T. T read B goes to T. T read B goes to T. Okay. This is the minimal DFA. This is called minimal DFA. Okay, of the given DFA. Okay. Hope all of you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask any questions to the comment box. Okay. Now we'll try one more example. Construct the minimal DFA for the given DFA. For the given DFA. This is called transition table. This is the similar representation or transition table representation of the transition diagram. Okay. Now we'll check, is there any inaccessible states? Now we'll check, is there any inaccessible states in the given DFA or not? Okay. Q0 itself an initial state. Okay. Q1, we can reach to Q1 from the initial state Q0 using this path. We can reach to Q3 from the initial state using this path. We can reach on Q2 from the initial states using this path. We can reach to Q4 from the initial state using this path. Okay. So there is no inaccessible states. So there is no inaccessible states. Inaccessible states in the given DFA. Okay. So there is no inaccessible states in the given DFA. Now we'll separate the states. See here, Q0 is the initial state and Q4 is the final state in the given DFA. Okay. So Q0, Q1, Q3. Initially, the DFA contains 5 number of states: Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Now we'll separate. Those states. Separate the states using the final and non-final. Now we'll separate the final and non-final states. Here Q4 is one state, like Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, then Q4, right? So now we'll check. Now we'll further divide these states. Now we'll further divide these states. See here, Q0 reads 0 goes to Q1 and Q1, but it is a non-final state. Q0 reads 1 goes to Q3 is a non-final state. Okay. Q1 reads 0 goes to Q2, it is a non-final state. Q1 read 1 goes to Q4 means it is a final state. Q2 reads 0 goes to Q1 means it is a non-final state. Q2 read 1 goes to Q4 is a final state. Q3 reads 0 goes to Q2 state, Q2 means it is a non-final state. Q3 reads 1 goes to Q4 is a final state. Okay. Now we can completely separate Q0 from Q1, Q3 and Q1, Q2 and Q3, because Q1, Q2, Q3 reads 0 goes to non-final states. Q1, Q2, Q3 reads 1 goes to final states. Now we'll separate Q0. Now we'll separate Q0 and Q1, Q2, Q3, then Q4. Now we have 3 steps. Now we'll check, Can we further divide these states Q1, Q2, Q3? Okay, check. See here, Q1 reads all are Q1 and Q2, Q3 reads 0 goes to non-final state, and Q1, Q2, Q3 reads 1 goes to final states. But Q1 and Q3 both reads 0 goes to Q2. Q1, Q3 reads 0 goes to Q2. Q1, Q3 reads 1 goes to Q4. Okay. Okay, so now we'll separate the states, means Q2, Q1 as one state and Q1, Q3 as one state. This is Q0, the Q1 and Q3, Q1, Q3, then Q2, then Q4. Okay, this is now my minimal DFA contains total 4 number of states. Now my minimal DFA contains 4 number of states. Like this is, but DFA contains total 5 states. After minimization, the minimal DFA contains total 4 states. Okay, now we'll construct the minimal DFA. One is Q0, Q1, Q3, Q2, Q4. Okay, Q0 is the initial state in the original DFA, so Q0 as initial state. Q4 is the final state in the original DFA, so Q4 as final state. Okay, Q0 reads 0 goes to Q1. Q0 reads 1 goes to Q3, reads 1 goes to Q3. Q1 reads 0 goes to Q2. Q1 reads 1 goes to Q4. Q2 reads 0 goes to Q1. Q2 reads 0 goes to Q1. Q2 reads 1 goes to Q4. Okay, then Q3 reads 0 goes to Q2. Q3 reads 0 goes to Q2. Q3 reads 1 goes to Q4. Q3 reads 1 goes to Q4. Q4 reads 0 goes to Q4. Q4 reads 0 goes to Q4. Q4 reads 1 goes to Q4. Okay, this is your minimal DFA. This is your minimal DFA of the even DFA, right? One important thing, this is the DFA contains 5 number of states, the minimal DFA contains 4 number of states. But one thing you have to remember, we can also merge these Q1, Q3 and Q2. We can also merge in some books or some notes you can see, they may merge Q1, Q3, Q2, because Q1, Q2, Q3 reads 0 goes to non-final state, and Q1, Q2, Q3 reads 1 goes to final states. We can also merge, means the minimal DFA contains only 3 states. In this case, the minimal DFA contains 3 states, Q1, Q3, Q2. Okay, now we can merge Q1 and Q3 as one state, means Q0, Q13, then Q2. We can also write like this. We can also write Q1 and Q3 as Q13, because Q1 and Q3 reads 0 goes to Q2, and Q1 and Q3 reads 1 goes to Q4. Also we can, in this case, the minimal DFA contains 3 number of states. Okay, in this case, the minimal DFA 3 number of states. So answer 4 is also right, answer 3 is also right. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, thanks to all. This is the end of your minimal DFA. If you have any doubt on minimal DFA, you can ask through comment box. Okay, Please share and subscribe the channel.